The honourable member for Portage la Prairie.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Oak Tree Towers has been a part of the Portage la Prairie landscape for as long as I can remember. But the Oak Tree Towers of today bears little resemblance to the 55-plus block it once was. Today, the residents of Oak Tree Towers live their lives in fear. Over the past 18 months, living conditions at Oak Tree Towers have rapidly deteriorated. Residents describe themselves as being prisoners in their own homes. Another local agency, Portage Services for Seniors, has also confirmed the situation and has sent a letter to the minister. A very few tenants are creating these unsafe conditions, but they are harboring individuals who are sleeping, urinating, defecating in the hallways. Worse, the tenants are engaging in illicit activities, including suspected drug production and sex trafficking, yet complaints to Manitoba Housing have gone ignored, or worse, staff has told residents, stop calling. I will close with the words of one senior who has resided at Oak Tree Towers for years and whose emails to the minister have been ignored. I promised not to use their name. I pay rent to live here, yet my right to a peaceful existence is being denied. While those engaging in illegal activities are being allowed the freedom to disrupt the lives of other tenants, if I do end up dead from extreme stress and sleep deprivation brought about by intolerable conditions at Oak Tree Towers, I am giving my MLA permission to release every email. I hope never to have to share those emails, but I am losing faith in this minister's ability or desire to do the right thing. Thank you very much.